Hello guys and girls, how are you? Today we start our lesson about summer camp. Please open your copybook and write date with lesson's title. The 29th of April, summer camp. We begin with new words. Repeat after me, please. Camp, picnic, ice cream, watch, decide, doing, skateboarding. Camp, лагерь, picnic, пикник, ice cream, балмұздақ, watch, қарау, decide, шешу, doing, жасау, skateboarding. And now we do exercise 22. But the first we watch a video about these texts. Okay, please video.
Let's watch.
This is me at summer camp. Look, I'm skateboarding. I can skateboard really well. This is Daisy. She's jogging. She's with her dog, Bella. Liam is doing karate in this picture. He can't do it very well. Look at him. This is Jake. He's having a picnic. The sun is shining and he's eating an ice cream.
And now we answer the questions with using our text. Can Lily skateboard? Can Lily skateboard? The first text. This is me at summer camp. Look, I'm skateboarding. I can skateboard really well. Can Lily skateboard? Yes, she can. What is Daisy doing? What is Daisy doing? The second text. This is Daisy. She's jogging. She's with her dog Bella. What is Daisy doing? She's jogging. She's jogging. Yes. And next question. What is Liam doing? The third text. Liam is doing karate in this picture. He can do it very well. Look at him. What is Liam doing? He is doing karate. Yes, good. And next, last question. Is Jake eating pizza? Is Jake eating pizza? The first text. This is Jake. He's having a picnic. The sun is shining and he's eating an ice cream. No, he isn't. He is eating an ice cream. Yes, good. Boys and girls, good job. Now we have a minute for us. And I think that we watch a video and repeat all exercises in this video, in that video, yes. And let's remember classroom comments.
Touch your eyes, please. Touch your nose, please. Touch your mouth, please. Touch your ears, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. He has long legs. Touch your eyes, please. Touch your nose, please. Touch your mouth, please. Touch your ears, please. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes, please. Open your eyes, please. She has big eyes.
Let's sing.
we do exercise 23, read and choose. But you must listen that I read and you choose true answer. Okay, listen please. Berlik and Aydar are going camping in the forest. They decide to put their tent under a tree. It's getting dark and they can't see very well. Then they hear a strange noise up in the tree. They run home quickly and leave the tent there. Listen again, please. Berlik and Aydar are going camping in the forest. They decide to put their tent under a tree. It's getting dark and they can't see very well. Then they hear a strange noise up in the tree. They run home quickly and leave the tent there. Okay, thank you. I think that you write true answers. And now we watch a video. I want to tell you the song in this video you must learn at home. Learn, okay? Good, please video. Watch.
We are sailing, we are surfing, we are diving in the pool. We are splashing, this is smashing, doing water sports is cool. We are sailing, we are surfing, we are getting very wet. We are swimming, this is thrilling, doing water sports is best.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon the next lesson.